Anong gusto mo?
Love me in your heart.
Love me with all of your heart?
Yes?
Yung kanta?
Mm.
Okay. Gusto mo pala yun?
Your heart.
Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want. Ulitin natin.